Hey, I'm Troubleshoot. In this guide, I'll be showing you at the Mounds of Madness for Artisan. In this, we need to find an ominous mural, an eerie mural, a chilling mural, and a disturbing statue. For this, we'll need to head all the way across the far east by Ban Pa, and in this area, we'll find all that we need. Let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so landing here, the first one's going to be all the way on the far east side over here. Simply just running west towards the town, you should see shortly that there is this thing over here. This is what we need to run up to. There we go, getting close enough. It works for us, and now we've got the first bit done. Here is the mural. This was the chilling mural. Now, heading just south from here into the bushes, right about over here-ish, you'll find the next place that we need to go. So about 105, 110 from here, there's this little place in the bush here. Obviously, just keep your eyes open for other players and bots. But when we get here, you'll find this statue, and there we go, sub-objective complete. We've now done the disturbing statue, and it's right over here. Then next up, we'll be heading plus minus up to this warehouse over here. Just a bit further into the bushes, right about there, is where we'll find the next thing that we need to get to. So we'll travel all the way over there. So here is the warehouse, and heading off just into the bush over here. So pretty much just southwest of the warehouse, which is just behind this now. Up the hill here, you'll find this little structure, and on the back of it, yet another painting. This is the next one that we need to get to. There we go. That is the eerie mural. Now finally, the ominous mural. You'll find it all the way on the southwest side, all the way down here in this little clearing at the end of this little pathway. So we'll head there now as well. There we go, all the way down at the end of this road, slightly up the hill here. You can see in the bush right behind us to the southwest, this little place over here. We'll head across here, and around the back, you'll find the last mural. There we go. Okay, now that we've done all of these, we're pretty much done with this task, and we just need to return back to base, and we're done. That was at the Mounds of Madness. We'll open up vendors, Artisan, and we'll hand in this mission. There we go. Sweet. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.